It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Be excited! Be excited! Today is the best day of school! Oh my goodness, Poppy! The day is finally here! Guess what it is? Viva, you finally made it! Yep, I did! Oh, it's the best day of the week! It's Arts and Crafts Day at school! And today we get to make slime! Slime? No, slime, silly! And best of all, we'll have a competition! So stick around and see who wins! I hope my slime wins! Or maybe my slime! Woohoo! Either way, let's learn how to make slime together! And have a simple and fun competition at the same time, because we want to see who the winner is. Of course it will be me. No way! I will for sure win. Girls, we all know that everybody loves blue slime. Let's go! Wow, hi everyone. Welcome back to Nat and Essie. This is Nat, and today we are making some trollicious slime. To make this slime, we need some simple ingredients. Get out a bowl, we have a jar, some measuring devices, some clear glue or normal glue, and we also have an activator, in this case Stay-Flow. Be sure to have your parents close by and wear gloves because this can get messy. Let's get started. Do you think we should use these for Poppy? I love them. Let's start by taking everything out of our bowl. Whoa, that was really loud. Placing our bowl in the middle and adding one normal size glue container into the bowl. As of right now, it's just glue. I sure wouldn't want to touch this with my hands. It would make it so messy. Messy ones are the best. Let's keep making the glue. The slime, the flume, the slime, of course. Okay, time to add the activator. Whoa, I just dump it right on top. And immediately we need to start mixing. It'll start looking cloggy and clumpy. That means the glue and the Stay-Flow are reacting with one another to make our slime. Let's keep mixing a little bit longer, and then I can put my hands inside and I won't have to worry too much about them getting too messy. Look, it's already starting to fall off my fingers. This is perfect. Now I'm just going to mix it for a good 10 minutes. And once it comes together,
You'll see what it looks like. It'll be perfect.
wow! But right now, I don't think this looks too perfect. What do you think? Super gooey, like a spider web or something. Come on, let's keep mixing. Whoa! Check it out. After 10 minutes, it's absolutely perfect. There's still a little bit stuck to my fingers, but the slime itself is ready to be mixed. Now let's try and make it all completely trollific. So let's separate it into 3 parts for our 3 trolls. 1 part for Poppy, 1 part for Chanel, and 1 part for Viva or Viva. I haven't seen the movie yet, it hasn't come out yet. I'm assuming it's Viva, but you never know. Now we have our 3 parts. Let's color our slime. For Poppy's part, we're going to, of course, make it super duper pink. We're also adding lots of pink charms. And then we can go ahead and mix that all together. Ooh! Pink like Poppy already. What do you guys think? Super pink. Let's put a little bit more on the outside. And a little bit more, whoops, on the bottom side. Now let's open our jar and carefully place our poppy slime at the bottom of the jar. Layer 1 is poppylific. I'm also going to add a layer of sprinkles between her and the next one. Next up is the color blue, so tons of blue sparkles. I'm also adding in this time some bigger charms, and they're more of a light blue tone. This will look really good once mixed together. That looks so good. I'm not making it perfect because I want to see all the different textures. And this is your creation. You can do it any way you can think of. And this is the way I'd like to do it. Now I'm going to add a few more charms on top. And for my last layer, lots and lots of green. I was debating between green and yellow, but green just kind of pops. There is a little bit of yellow in here, and that will be perfect to mix together. So let's go ahead and mix our green. Whoa, that looks so good. But we have to get that all inside. Now let's get our jar and add the last layer of our slime. Ooh, it's overflowing. We made just a little bit more than needed. So let's scrape off the top layer and finish it off with a few little charms. Now let's close up our lid. And our troll slime is done. 3 colors for 3 best friends. Pink, blue, and green. I know the creation we made is so perfect. Art class is my favorite day of the week. I love being able to be creative. Yeah, but today we were creative as a team, and we made something even better. Thanks everyone. I hope you love what we made. And if you did, we'll see you in the next video. This was Poppy and Friends for Nat and Essie. Thank you for watching. Bye, besties. Woohoo! We did amazing, amazing. Dancing it off like on TikTok. Amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh.